All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the winner of the post-share drawing. So we will check the time here, May 8th at 10:48 a.m. We're going to go over to we'll call it the raffle, and type live. And we have May 8th at 10:48 a.m. Here's the list of our 40 entries. Let's take a peek through there so you guys can see who's all in there. So 40 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 5 times. All right, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Tony F. is your winner. So Tony, please get with Primetime to collect whatever prize he was giving away here, which I didn't look at. Drawing for friends who shared posts. So I'm not sure what they're giving away, but Tony F., you are the winner. So we will check our verification code, our timestamp, once again, May 8th, 10:49 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.